Hey guys, today I am going to show you how I did this fairy tale photo, or maybe it's a concept art for a movie, I don't know. So yeah, let's start with the video. For the background, I grabbed these three images of runes and I mashed them together and it ended up looking like this. Then I masked out this guy that I found in DeviantArt and I put the background in the back as usual. Then I added some adjustments layers to make the colors match a little bit with the background, and that's all. Then I added the fairy and I started color matching everything, if that's a word. Then I added all the highlights in the image coming from his eyes and the fairy, and as you know, this is the most time consuming part, but it looks awesome. Finally, I added a camera raw filter, what makes the image look 100 times better, and that's all. Here is the final piece.